Hey everybody, this is Grace. In this video, I'm going to talk about something that just happened to me, and this has happened to me from time to time over years. I was in a grocery store, and a big superstore actually, and I went to the produce department, and I'm in the middle of the produce department, which a deli is not like right behind it, right within it. And I smelled the strong scent, odor of natural gas. Okay, now this is not the first time. Natural gas seems to be the odor that I pick up real easily, and my senses are heightened over other people, because people have always told me, I'm 56. They've told me I don't smell it, and then a little while later they smell it. They say, "Wow, how did you smell that so soon?" Well, that's just how it is for me, you know. Just is as it is. Now, you know, I'm highly sensitive, and I know highly sensitive isn't just about your senses. It's about a lot of things. But I am highly sensitive to odors. My hearing, I hear great. I hear really loud from like far away, but not so much if there's a lot of noise far away. You know, not too far. But let's say like if I'm in a place where they're playing music really loud. Now if a person whispers to me, I can't hear much that whisper over the music. Okay? And it's not like other people. Now I'm saying that this is in comparison to what other people have said, how they say, I whisper back, they hear me. They whisper to me, I don't hear them. You know, and of course you say, well, hey, their voices are different. Sure. But trust me. I'm telling you, I might as well stop here and say this. I've had people do that to me for years. You know, like I say something, they say, well, it always, well, you know, know-it-alls. Because I got off topic, sort of. But, yeah, I'm very highly sensitive to certain smells, certain scents, odors, in the hearing, and also a few other things. But just on that, I was in this store, and I smelled this natural gas. And so I told the door greeter, and he went over there. He was older than I, actually, I would say. And I told another one when I was walking through the self-checkout. I didn't self-checkout, but I was walking through there because I saw this guy, and I told him just in case the other one didn't smell it. Now, I know what the score is because I've had it happen to me before, that not everybody, of course, is going to be able to pick up that odor, you know, as fast as I am. But my thought was it was probably the deli, where they actually do cook stuff back in the back or whatever, but they have it on, you know, a gas burner on, and it's not lit, something like that. That has happened, and it does happen, you know. One of the things that happened to me, though, was one time I was on the 12th floor of a building where I worked, and I smelled natural gas, and as it turned out, nobody else did that was on that floor, and as it turned out, it was that they were working on the road on the gas main, and it broke. Okay, and what gets to me about it is that some people, when this happens, you know, and you smell it or whatever, they doubt you like you are such a liar, you know, because they don't smell it, you know, they can't pick it up, or they don't hear it, or, you know, that you're somehow a liar and like the biggest sinner on the planet. I've had that happen to me. Like I said, at that job, I went to lunch at that time when I smelled it. I was going to lunch, and I called them and I told them what I smelled, because, you know, I went down the floor and all that, and they were like, you don't know what you're talking about. We don't smell it, and blah, blah, blah. You know, some people are just stupid. You know, that's not the right word I was looking for or wanted to say even. But yeah, you know, they're going to doubt you like I said, like you're some big sinner because they can't smell it. And so much work in there with that, isn't there? But anyway, I have had those experiences. What about you? If you want to leave a comment about your experiences, do so. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. If you want to subscribe to this channel, click the circle icon. If you want to watch another video on this channel, click on the rectangles. Like, subscribe, comment, and share on your own social media if you would, and I'll talk to you all in another video. Bye.